developers, I want you to picture a world where there is no longer any user interface. That's the world that OpenAI wants you to live in. They want you to think about never having a SaaS again and only creating user interfaces that a LLM understands. That's where software development seems to be heading. There's so much hype over agents, but I think that one thing that people fail to consider is that if we end up going down the agent route and everything's just a chat interface and used through ChatGPT, there's not going to be any need for a proper user interface. We're all just going to have things done in a conversational way. And that's a really interesting paradigm, because it means that a lot of SaaS products like Calendly, Microsoft Office, anything that you can really think of, any CRM or ERP that you're using, they're not really going to be necessary from a UI perspective. It's all just going to be controlled by the agent. And this creates a paradigm of SaaS as commodities. So if you're creating a SaaS, there's nothing really to differentiate other than your marketing or your compatibility with the various agents that are out there. And I don't know whether this is going to actually happen or not, because I feel like that at some point there still needs to be a human involved in the process. Reading through this article on Hacker News where it breaks this down in detail, they give this example of a SaaS agent, and a SaaS agent that does marketing. Basically, it books follow-up calls, it goes through and logs those in a CRM and creates strong leads. So it's a marketing agent. But the thing that they saw was that the agent was interacting with the SaaS, and that basically they didn't need to look at the UI. They just saw the meetings appear in their calendar. And I think that this occurs for interactions with agents and software, but at some point the human's got to interact with the software. Like, I don't want to always have to conversate with an agent, and I don't know whether everyone else wants to always conversate with an agent. In fact, most of the time when I'm doing my deep work, I don't really want to talk with anyone. And I don't know if that's just me or if this is the way that software is going. Please let me know what you think in the comments below.